Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Today I'm going to show you how to make this crispy and delicious eggplant fry with only a few ingredients. In a bowl, take in a teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of pepper powder. If you don't have Kashmiri red chili powder, skip it. Now to this add in enough water to make it to a thick paste. Mix it well. Now rub the spice paste over the eggplants. Once it's done, let it sit for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, heat up a pan. Add in enough oil to shallow fry the eggplant pieces. I have used coconut oil as it gives a beautiful aroma and flavor. You can use any oil you prefer. Once the oil is slightly heated, add in a bunch of curry leaves to this. Now place the eggplant slices over the curry leaves. Now shallow fry this on low to medium flame. If it is on high flame, the spices would easily burn. Shallow fry 3 minutes on each side, flipping in between. We can see the side is perfectly cooked. Now I am flipping it and letting the other side cook for 1 more minute. Once it's done, turn off the flame. Serve and enjoy. This goes well with variety rice and hot rice and rasam. Hope you found this video useful. Do try this recipe and share in your feedback in the comments. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Thank you.